Hello everyone, welcome to Thai Food Delights. In this video, we're gonna show you how to make Thai glass noodle salad, also known as Laab Woon Sen. To get started, I'm having here 40 grams of dried glass noodles. These are made from mung bean starch. Before we can use this, we need to soak these in room temperature water for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the noodles have become softer. For this recipe, we will get about 100 grams of soaked glass noodles, which is enough for 2 persons. I'm also having here 30 grams of Enoki mushroom and 50 grams of king oyster mushroom. We're gonna cut the king oyster mushroom in half lengthwise. Then cut the mushroom diagonally. And next, 20 grams of red onion. We're gonna use half of the red onion. Cut it into thin slices. And to give some aromatics to this dish, I'm using culantro. Here, I'm using 5 grams of culantro. Cut them into thin slices. The thinner, the better. And same with spring onions. We're gonna cut them into thin slices. And also for coriander, we're gonna cut them into thin slices. And the next step, we're gonna cook the minced pork. I'm having here 60 grams of minced pork. Into a small pot, we're gonna add 5 tablespoons of water. While we're cooking the pork, I'm gonna use a spatula to break the pork into small pieces. After the pork has been cooked, you will see that there is still some water in the pot. We're not gonna throw this water away because we're gonna use it as a broth for our Laab Woon Sen. This amount of broth will keep our Laab Woon Sen from getting too dry. We're gonna set this aside for now. The next step, we're gonna cook the glass noodles. Add the glass noodles into a boiling water and cook for about 10 seconds. Into the same pot, I'm adding in king oyster mushroom. I'm adding in king oyster mushroom first because it takes some time to cook. And then in goes Enoki mushrooms. After the mushroom has been cooked through, we will set these aside. And now it's time to put everything together. The key to making delicious Laab Woon Sen is balancing all the flavors. I like my Laab Woonsen to be savory, spicy, and sour. You can also adjust according to your preference. We're gonna give it a final toss until everything is well combined. And now our Laab Woonsen is ready to serve. And there you have it, simple and delicious Laab Woonsen. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.